Hello everyone, today we will learn how to edit and modify our drawing. So let's learn with this example. Here you can see there are many options in this modifying panel. So let's use one by one. I will start with rotate. Let's rotate this object. So here you can see that I have selected this object. But in AutoCAD there are two types of selection. First is left to right, which only selects whatever the object come in that area, and second is right to left, which includes everything which whatever it touches in that area. So here you can see it is selecting all the object is it touching, but I just need to select this, so I am using this left to right selection. Okay, so I am rotating it. Either you can click on this rotate option or you can type arrow and you can select from anywhere from you want to rotate it any point. So let's rotate it from this centroid. Okay, now let's move to this move option. So select this object, either click on move or type M. I am pressing F8 for turning this ortho off. As you can see, ortho is on. Here you can also see that ortho is on. So I am pressing F8. Now ortho is off. You can also see here ortho option is off. So I am placing it here. Now let's come to this trim. Here you can see there is drop down menu. Click on this. There is also an extend option. So either click on this extend option or type EX and then enter. So I just want to join this line to this line of the object. So either select both of these or you can also select one by one. So I am selecting both of these at once. So here these two are connected to this line. Now let's use copy command. Okay, select this object, either click on this copy command or type CO and then turn this ortho option on. F8. I've pressed F8. Okay, so let's use this trim option. Either click on this or type TR and then enter. You can then trim this line. Okay, so it is used for trimming anything whichever is coming, whichever is intersecting any object. Okay, so let's use array option. Let's use this array option now. So let's select this object, click on array, or yeah, either you can type AR for array. And here there are many options for arraying. We will just use rectangular option. You can see what it is gonna do. So this is just default. Here you can change the settings. Here you can see there are 4 columns, 1 2 3 4, and there are 3 rows. Okay, so and this is showing the distance between this line and this, so it is including this one object. So let's set this to 150. Okay, and here okay, let's make this 400. Okay, that's good. Let's delete our first option, first copied object. Okay, here you can see this is our array object. Now let's so this array are in group. Okay, I will tell you why group is important. Here in group you can so arrays are always in group. Whenever you make a array, it will always be in group. So you can ungroup it by clicking on this explode option, or either you can type EX for explode. exp for extrude. Okay, you can select from this also. So now you can see these all are exploded, and these are all different objects. They're not in group anymore. You can use trim here also. Now come to offset. What is offset? So if I select this, and if I want to offset all the sides, so this is command for that functionality, and just select distance, offset distance. Let's use 50. Okay, so you can use this command for this functionality. Okay, now let's come to stretch. What does this stretch do? So this is my one of the favorite command of AutoCAD. Okay, so why I'm saying this, let's select only this part of the drawing. Now if I click on the stretch or type str for stretch, if I just drag this, it will only stretch that part which I have selected. Here you can see. Now let's come to this mirror option. Select all this, either click on mirror or type mi for mirror. You can select whatever the axis you want it mirror to, and it will ask you either you want to delete the source object, so we don't want to delete that. Okay, you can also mirror from this axis also. Okay, so now there is left is this scale option. Let's just select this. Okay, let's select this drawing, and then click on this scale object. So you can scale it whatever the size you want it. There are also given two options. You can see here there is one copy and difference. What does this do? Copy means you are not scaling the source object, you are scaling copy object. So here you can see you are scaling copy object. And what does this reference option do? So when you have any reference drawing or image, you can scale this drawing to that reference image. Okay, I don't have any example, so okay, let me tell you how you can do that. So you know that let's assume that this length of this object is actually equal to this length of line. So what we can do, we select this object, use scale option. Okay, we will select our base point, and then we will click on reference. So we will just select this option. Okay, now we will just click on this, so it will scale to this size. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.